Planning to secure your new home with a Westpac home loan? The application process is straightforward, and you have several options to get started. You can begin your application online, which is the fastest way. The online form takes you through the necessary steps and allows you to save your progress, submit documents, and track where your application is up to. If you are an existing Westpac customer, some of your details may even be pre-filled to save you time. Prefer to talk things through? You can book an appointment to chat in person at a branch or speak with a mobile lender. Alternatively, you can request a video chat or a call with a local home lending specialist who will guide you through the process and answer your specific questions. Before you start, whether online or with a specialist, it is helpful to prepare your financial information. This typically includes details about your income, your living expenses, any existing debts, and the assets you hold. You will also need to provide identification documents, like a driver's license or passport, especially if you are new to the bank. Once you submit your application, Westpac will review your information. For many online applications, you could receive conditional approval, also known as pre-approval, relatively quickly, sometimes within one business day. This pre-approval gives you a clear idea of how much you can borrow, which is a great place to be when you are ready to make an offer on a property. After submission, a dedicated home finance manager will be assigned to you. They will contact you to finalize the details, review any necessary documents, confirm your interest rate, and move your application toward full, unconditional approval and eventual settlement. The key is gathering your documents and choosing the application path that works best for you. Either way, Westpac's team is ready to assist you on your journey to home ownership.